Whether you live in Albany, Schenectady, Troy, or beyond the capital region, DePaula Ford is your premier service location. As you enter our parking lot, there will be signs leading you to the entrance of our service lane. Upon entering, one of our service riders will approach the vehicle to greet you and ask you about the reason for your visit today. As part of our process, your service rider will make note of the mileage and check for any warning lights. They will then proceed with a thorough multi-point inspection of the vehicle to check the status of your tires, windshield wipers, and any noticeable damage. And while you're in, you always have the option to renew your state inspection. Regardless, we're always happy to top off your wiper fluid for you. Once the walk around your vehicle is completed, we'll take you to our writer's room, where you'll be given a variety of options for services. We'll write up a repair order giving you a summary of the service being done to your vehicle and the estimated completion time. Should you decide to wait with us while your vehicle is being serviced, we'll show you to our waiting area. Rest assured, you're in great hands. Our certified technicians are equipped to service any make or model, and with over 30 dedicated service bays, we'll have your vehicle ready in no time. And we now also offer flexible payment plans for parts and services. As your service is completed, you'll be given the final invoice detailing all of the work completed on your vehicle. Our service riders will gladly walk you to your car to ensure you're satisfied with our work. We here at DePaula Ford take our customer service very seriously, and we care about your peace of mind. So schedule your appointment today at DePaula.com, and we thank you for choosing DePaula Ford service.